In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. If you're aiming for accessible PDFs that meet the PDF UA standard, Acrobat Pro DC's Preflight tool is a reliable way to identify common problems and apply automatic fixes where possible. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature is part of the Pro Edition, so make sure you're not in the free reader. Once your document is open, head to the Tools tab, then choose Print Production and click Preflight. This opens the Preflight dialog, which is the control center for checking standards compliance and running targeted corrections. If you see a PDF/UA accessibility profile in your Preflight window, select it. A profile is a curated set of checks, and sometimes fix-ups, designed specifically for a standard like PDF UA. Using it helps you scan for issues such as missing tagged structure or other accessibility-related elements. Profiles streamline the process and increase your chances of catching the most important compliance gaps in one pass. When you've chosen a profile or a specific fix-up, decide how you want to proceed. If you only want to scan the file and generate a report of what needs attention, click Analyze. This option leaves the PDF unchanged and gives you a results list that explains what passed and what failed. It's great for understanding the scope of issues before you commit to any changes. If you're ready to apply corrections where Acrobat can safely do so, choose Analyze and Fix. If you selected a single fix-up instead of a full profile, you may just see a Fix button. Analyze and Fix will run the checks and automatically apply the enabled fix-ups included in the profile. Keep in mind, not every accessibility issue can be repaired automatically. Some problems require manual remediation outside of Preflight, but this step often resolves a significant portion of common errors quickly. After Preflight completes, Acrobat may prompt you to save a new PDF with the remediation applied. This is expected, because Acrobat preserves the original and writes your changes to a new file. Use a clear file name so you can tell the remediated version from the source. Once saved, you can review the Preflight results to see which items were addressed and which may still need attention. That's the core workflow. Open your file, navigate to Preflight, select a PDF UA profile if available, choose Analyze to review or Analyze and Fix to apply corrections, and save the remediated PDF when prompted. This process gives you a fast, structured way to move your PDFs closer to full accessibility compliance.